Hello everybody. Today we're going to be working on the yard machine push lawnmower 550E series 140cc, and what we're going to be doing today is basically changing out the carburetor to a new one. So let's start. So this is going to be the new carburetor right here that we're going to be replacing. So you can purchase this online wherever you can find it. eBay, Amazon, websites that does repairs for lawnmowers. But what you're going to get is the new carburetor with all the new O-rings. And as you can see, this O-ring and this O-ring is replaced, and you get the whole assembly here. Okay, so let's get started and put it on. Alright, first step you're going to do is take the filter housing off. Okay, all it is two latch on the bottom and a latch on the top, and it'll come right out. And then you got the filter here, and then you're going to have two sockets. Two of them is going to be 8mm, and the other one is 9/32. Alright, so let's get started on that. Actually, what we're going to do first is take the top part off. So you're going to get the cord and loosen that up from here. Release it. And then there's going to be three 8mm bolts that's holding it down, and you're going to loosen that up. And just lift up. And then we start on the carburetor, the housing here, and release the two 8mm first. One, two, and then there's going to be two more. That's going to be 9/32. One beneath the little push button, and the second one on the left. And then you're just going to pull and release. And then you're accessible to the carburetor. So with the carburetor, all you need to do here is there's going to be a fuel line that's connected right here, and it has a little clamp that you're going to need a needle nose pliers to detach it here, pull it back, and then you're going to pull that fuel line back. Now you should go ahead and twist it, and fuel is going to run out of it. So what you can do is you can lift the fuel tank up and then pull out, okay, and just have it on the side so it doesn't drain. Alright, and then from there all you need to do is grab, pull, and then it will release. And then here you will see the this is where it gives it the gas, where you're gonna twist and pull away, and fuel is gonna leak out of it because there's still fuel inside the carburetor. Okay, right here is where it connects from here to here. As you can see, there's the O-ring right here is an old one, and right here is just a plastic. It's not really an O-ring. The two comparison is side by side. They look exactly alike. top, bottom, side. So now we're going to put the new one back on, and all you're going to do is get this right here, stick it in the hole, turn, and then there are going to be two latches that it's just going to slide through, and basically it's just going to go, see, if you see right here, it slides right into this indentation right here, and then connects to the hose from the back. And it should, when you push it in, it's going to be nice and snug. Okay? Now, from there, you're going to get the back housing of the filter, air filter, and it has two pins, you would call it, and they go right into place here. And from the back, if you can see, this will connect to there. Yours won't have this little clamp. I added that in there. It's really, you really don't need it, but I just put it there. And now we're going to put the screws back in. Alright, we're going to put the two 9/32 screw in. One goes underneath, one goes on the side here. Anytime you start a screw, you really want to hand tighten it first before you can use a tool on it. Make sure that everything's in place. And then 8mm. Again, you start with hand tighten it. Make sure everything goes in place. And one goes right here. Okay. Now you're gonna put the filter, air filter back on. Then put the housing back on. Again, there's two latches that go on the bottom, and then on top it just clips on. Okay, now we're going to put the fuel tank back on. Again, this hose right here is going to connect to here. Okay, so go ahead and put that on there, and then we're going to place these two latches on the top. Like so, and then you're going to get the needle nose, and we're going to grab that clamp and clamp that right over that hose so it doesn't leak out the fuel from the carburetor. And then we're going to attach this right back onto the top. And again, hand tight this, make sure everything fits onto the tightly, and then drill back on. It doesn't have to be too tight. And then from there, we're going to pull this lever, pull this, and put it right back, and then tighten this up. Okay, I'm going to pump this up and start it up and test it out. Pump that up, have the fuel go through the system, run it. Pump a little more, Alright, after changing the carburetor, you're going to pump it with gas and then start it up and let it run.